Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up there. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head.
Hello guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng Tech LifePad plus 12-inch LTE and Wi-Fi na din. Ito ang mga kulay. Simple lang ang design ng box niya. Tech LifePad plus 12-inch nakasulat sa gilid ng box. Ito ang kanyang specs. 12-inch large 2K display. 16 gig plus 256 gig massive storage. 8,000 mAh massive battery. MediaTek Helio G91. Quad stereo speakers. And LTE connectivity. Ito pala guys, ang SRP price nito ay 9,999 pesos. Pero nabili ito sa Shopee Mall sa halagang 8,279 pesos. Nagkaroon ng discount dahil sa vouchers nila at may freebies na Bluetooth keyboard. Lalagay ko sa description ang link kung order kayo. At ito na nga ang Tech LifePad plus 12-inch. Ang kulay pala nito ay Storm Gray. Meron din itong Sky Blue at Moonlight Silver. Ang tablet ay may features na sleek zinc alloy chassis at may pagkamat ang kanyang likod. At inside the box, meron tayong SIM pin ejector. May kasama ding 18 watts fast charger at mahabang USB Type-C cable. At ang huli ay tablet user manual. So ito nga ang ating Tech LifePad plus 12-inch keyboard case freebies na kasama ng tablet. Meron ka nito kapag umorder ka ng online, pero depende pa din sa seller kung meron silang ibibigay. Meron itong USB Type-C port at meron din itong dalawang speaker sa kabilang side nito. Sa kabilang side naman ay power button at volume rocker. Meron ding SIM slot at hiwalay na memory card slot. Ito ay running ng Android 15 at TechLife Custom Pad UI. Ito pala ay may 12-inch wide ultra-extended graphics array plus IPS display na may 2000 by 1200 resolution, 85% screen-to-body ratio, 400 nits brightness, at 180 Hz touch sampling rate. At 194 pixels per inch, visuals appear crisp enough FPR media consumption and multitasking. Ang Tech LifePad plus 12-inch ay powered ng MediaTek Helio G91 octa-core processor clocked at 2.0 GHz. Kasama na dito ang 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM at expandable hanggang 8 GB RAM. Ang kanyang internal storage ay 256 GB na may expandable via microSD up to 1 TB. So ito naman ang mga sample na laro na sinubukan sa tablet na to. Isa dito ang Call of Duty Mobile. Kasunod nito ay ang Mobile Legends.
Tapos agad. Wala pang 2 minutes.
Para naman sa photography at video calls, ang tablet ay may 13 megapixel rear camera. Ito nga pala ang mga sample na kuha ng tablet sa rear camera.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything.
Naman guys, ang rear camera ng Tech LifePad 1080p 30fps. Ayan guys, nakataan tayo. Ayan guys, nakataan. Ano guys, masabi nyo guys?
Sa front camera naman ay may 8 megapixel. Ito naman ang sample shot ng front camera.
Same way, gotta build up of my thoughts.
Ayan guys, ang front camera ng Tech LifePad. So 720p 30fps. Ayan guys, nakataan tayo.
The battery is another standout with an 8,000 mAh unit that supports 18 watts fast charging via USB Type-C and 5 watts reverse charging. Sample quad speaker. The tablet integrates Google's Gemini AI capabilities. Sensors include an accelerometer, gyroscope, light, proximity, orientation, sound, and magnetic field detection.